Ooh. Wow. Hello my Jovians, I look a little cray-cray because I'm not done with my eye makeup, and that's because I am in the process of filming Kim Kardashian's smoky blue eye look, and in between that I wanted to do my face makeup with the product in question today, the new Charlotte Tilbury's Hollywood Flawless Filter. We can't call it a primer, we can't call it a highlighter, it's like an all-in-one. The very first time this product came out and surfaced the internet, everybody was confused. A lot of people thought it was a foundation, a lot of people call her Jackie Aina for supporting Charlotte Tilbury and this range because it didn't have color range, but calm your shuddies down, people. I was confused as well and I wanna break it down with you. Also, if you like videos like this, do not forget to click that thumbs up right down below. Can we get this video to 2,000 thumbs up? That's not even a big number. Can we get it to 2,000 likes? Can we? Do it. Click it right now. Alright, let's get started. This is what the outer packaging looks like. Got all of this loveliness all around it. And this is what the bottle itself looks like. It's made of beautiful glass packaging, nice metal cap right there. I have the product in shade 6, which I believe is the darkest shade. And this can also be used by much darker people. So you unscrew the lid and it comes out like a big... Excuse me, Miss Camera. You need to focus on the product. So once you unscrew the top, it comes out like a Tarte Shape Tape kind of doe foot applicator. This contains 30 milliliters of product and it doesn't really have any significant fragrance or smell. I mean, there is something, it's not completely odor free. Let's do a quick swatch on the back of my hand. So that is what it looks like. It does have a slight tacky feeling, slightly cooling to the touch. Ooh. Wow, I'm actually quite impressed because my hand feels matte but kind of dewy at the same time, so there is no oily residue. So there are 4 ways to use it. That is beneath your foundation, all over your face as a glowy primer, blend it with your foundation to get a dewy finish, boost it is basically using this as a highlighter, and also bling it, which is just using this and your retoucher, which is a concealer, for a full face of makeup, completely avoiding your foundation. So what kind of girl would you be? I think I'm gonna be a beneath it and boost it kind of girl. So let's take this whole big giant wand and apply it on my face. I don't have anything on my face, no other primer. I'm just gonna use my hands to... Wow. Okay, that really blended out so effortlessly into my skin. Oh, and it's even got a little bit of coverage. Wow. You see a lot of these Instagram makeup bloggers, including me, I've done it too, drop all of these liquid illuminators all over the face and then blend it out and then you look like Tin Man. It doesn't give that effect. It's a very wearable. I can go out like this. I did not expect this to work this well all over the face. Wow. So the first way of using it is now topping it up with the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Foundation. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of the foundation all over my face and let's blend this foundation out. A very common question that can arise is, how is it different from the WONDERGLOW, which is a glow-giving primer in the Charlotte Tilbury range? Now, the WONDERGLOW is a very liquidy face primer which gives you a very dewy finish that goes on before the foundation, and that is pretty much it. Hollywood Flawless Filter has multiple uses and it has a very thick concealer kind of almost sticky consistency. Also, you can see it on my hand that the hand with the Flawless Filter actually looks like it's got a filter on top of it. You can't really see the hand tiny wrinkles, but on this hand it's just a lot of dewy, glowy goddess look. There is no filter effect really, but this also promises to give you a soft focus effect, which it does. I can actually see a difference. I don't know if you can see a difference. Ultimately, it boils down to your preference as well. You don't have to get both of it. If you are on a budget, you can get one or the other. This also has a little bit of coverage. This does not have any coverage, but it does have tiny little baby shimmer particles in it to add to that dewy, glowy effect. This doesn't actually really have any visible shimmer or glitter. Now, I'm gonna do the rest of my eye makeup and then come back for the boosted effect, which is applying it as a little bit of highlighter. Alright guys, the rest of my face makeup is done. I feel like I've really nailed that Kim K bronze blue smoky eye look. She says dot along the tops of your cheekbones, down the nose, above your cupid's bow, or anywhere you want to highlight to glow like a Hollywood star. I'm just gonna use my finger and dab it into my skin. I think I applied too much. It is blending really well on top of a powder. Wow, that effect it's giving is just so... like all of my fine lines under my eyes and everything is just vanished. Wow. And that's it. Wow. We're done. I am more impressed than I thought I would be. I was expecting some sort of like an 8 on 10 product. This is like a 15 on 10 in my book. That is such a gorgeous, natural... You don't see shimmer on my face right now, but my face is glowing. You know what? I'm gonna take a little bit of that and apply it to my collarbone right here to get that whole glow coming down. And it is so easy to blend out, and it feels like nothing once blended out. I definitely feel like this is one of those must-have products from Charlotte Tilbury. These are launched worldwide right now. In Kuwait, you find them in avenues in Charlotte Tilbury store. I truly believe that this is not a comparable product to anything else. I'm out of words. I'm kind of mind blown, okay? I am really feeling this look right now. If you'd like to see my eye makeup and everything, click right here. The comment of the day comes from Hi Kitchen Recipes in Malayalam. Wow. Are you this organized always? Can you kindly do a video on how to organize your daily chores? Actually, if I'm not organized, my brain cannot work, especially when I'm traveling and stuff. Everything has to be super organized. And you'd like to see a video on how I organize my daily chores? Let me know in the comment section below, guys, if you'd like to see that as well. So if you want to see a video, definitely I am here to create one for you. Keep commenting, keep spreading your positivity, and I shall pull up your comments as well. Thank you so much for joining me today. All the videos right down below, and I shall see you in my next one. I love you. Mwah.